Struggling to accept UPI payments on your WooCommerce store? Install Razorpay in under 2 minutes with this exact walkthrough. We'll go step by step from your WordPress dashboard to the final payment setup. Let's start. Start by going to your WordPress dashboard and clicking on WooCommerce. Then, in the WooCommerce Marketplace, click on Popular Products to see what's trending. Now, click on See More to expand the list. You'll need to click See More again to reveal additional options. Click on Razorpay to open its page. Then, hit Install for free to add the plugin to your site. Next, click on Checkout to proceed. Click on Payment Method. Click on Pay to complete the purchase. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.